Hello, so this will be the final video. Okay, so this is the combination, okay, which we'll talk about the SOP, okay, the proper way for us to analysis, okay. So the SOP is the first one. We'll look for the direction, okay, direction, which is from monthly, weekly, or daily, okay. So it depends on you whether you are a swinger or scalper or intraday, okay. So you need to analyze the direction first, okay. So the direction, second, look for nearest SNR, okay, nearest SNR, okay. Then for example the level is on daily, right, daily or weekly, okay, you may filter it, okay, filter or precise, okay, or precise to H1, okay. For me personally, the maximum is H1 if you want to precise it, okay. So how to precise, okay, we look for first level, okay, for wait for the hint, okay, wait for the hint, which is H4 H1, okay, H5 hint, the hint is reversal, okay, reversal. So after reversal there will be continuation, okay, continuation. So the same thing repeating, okay. So number 6, back to here, okay, because we from level to level, okay. For example, resistance, support, okay. So when the price approach this resistance, it needs to go to support, okay, and same thing repeating, okay. So let's go to the chart, okay. Okay, so I will open weekly as an example, okay. Okay, so here we have a weekly level, okay. For example, here we have weekly level here, okay. See, weekly. So this is weekly, okay. You may precise it to other time frame, okay, to lower our risk, okay. So on daily, the same level, okay. So we use horizontal line, okay, same level, precise to H4, okay. You may remove the line or just add another one, okay. Okay, so for here I use other color. I'll use turquoise color, okay. So here is the first zone, okay, on H4. Then we also have the HNS, okay, here. Okay, but you see the HNS is not that fresh, so we'll mark this open close level, okay. So on H1, let's see, H1, okay. Okay, so here we see the highest resistance here is not fresh, okay. So we remove this, okay, we take this two line, okay, which is the breakout and the resistance, okay. So let's see whether the price approach the first level or not, okay. So for example I mark here, okay, this is not the first zone, so I mark with orange, okay, for us to see, okay. See, the price come back to the fresh level, the first zone, okay. See, and this yellow line, this orange one, it's not been touched, okay. The price didn't touch that because it's already been touched previously, okay. So the same thing after we filter, okay, or resize it if you want. Okay, we wait for the hint. Okay, so here we have the hint. Okay, we have the auto trend line. Okay, so that will be our first entry. Okay, then breakout. Here we have support breakout. See, pullback, drop. Okay, we also have trend line. Okay, here. So weekly storyline is weekly. Okay, weekly to weekly. So we have first zone here. Okay, for us to see here, and another one is here. Okay, as you can see, the price break. Okay, break goes up for this pullback around here. Okay, breakout, pullback around here, drop. Okay, and the price drop, it reached to weekly level. Okay, and then weekly to weekly. See, we have weekly level also here. Okay, so why the price break, pullback here, drop. Okay, so let's see what is the price action there. Okay, so you see, when the price come to the first zone, okay, see, it break, but then we have new support. Okay, so that's why the price goes up. Okay, goes up, but within this small range only. Okay, so why? Because on daily. Okay, see, the price goes deep because daily level. Okay, then daily to daily. See, we have here the price first respect, then we also have another one here. Okay, daily also. Okay, as you can see, the original one is weekly to weekly, right? Okay, weekly to weekly, but then the price stop at certain level because of the roadblock, which is the previous time frame, in this case daily. Okay, so you have here daily, daily, also daily. Okay, this is weekly, so we look for the price action. Okay, for or the hint. Okay, we look for the hint on h4 or h1. Okay, see, here we have the new support form. Okay, new support form, then touch this daily zone also, new resistance form. Okay, double top, price drop. Okay, see, so maybe on h1 there will be more information. Okay, more detail. Okay, as you can see, we have trend line. Okay, okay, the price didn't touch. Okay, because it take the support level. Okay, here support. Okay, then when the price came to the daily resistance, there is also auto trend line. See, and we also have the H&S formation. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, see, first point, second point, third point, then we have the H&S drop. Okay, then when the price once again come back to the support, okay, we have trend line. Okay, auto trend line. See, first point, second point, third point. What's up? Okay. So the same thing repeating. Okay. Here. Okay. The price once again come back to the resistance. Then we have the trend line. Okay. You may check from the previous. Okay. As you can see. Okay, the price goes up because it take the daily resistance level. Okay, so even though it goes a bit the closing is above, okay, but it still respect because it respect the resistance level. Okay, so the price comes back to the zone, pull back, you see, still respect the trend line, drop. Okay, so basically the same thing repeating. Okay, we just need to identify the roadblock. Okay, here we can see more detail. Okay, see first point here, first point, second point, see on H4 time frame. That's why we need to multi time frame. Okay, we want the understanding. Okay, we want to understand it. We didn't want to memorize it. Okay, so that's why it is important for us to understand, not memorize the storyline, the SNR trend line. We just want to understand how and why. Okay, see first point, second point, third point, drop. Okay, okay, so basically the SOP is repeating. Repeating. Okay, so here is another example. Okay, for example here we have, see, on daily, on weekly, we see the price has broke this support level. Okay, but then we can precise this zone. Okay, precise it to daily. Okay, on daily we have we see the open close level here. Okay, and close. Maybe we can change to H4. Okay, to filter it more. Okay, see, have resistance. Okay, and the price didn't touch. Okay, the price didn't touch the resistance level. Okay, so you can filter to H1. Okay, to have more detail. Okay, so here we have the resistance. Okay, so I changed this one to turquoise. Okay, so this one is a breakout. Okay, on H4 the resistance level. Okay, so that's all. This is the zone. Okay, so let's see the price come back to the blue line, both. Okay, but precisely the blue line. Okay, the turquoise one. Okay, because it is the first zone. Okay, both is fresh, but we have, see, two zone. Okay, so same thing, we look for the hint. Okay, on H4 or H1. Okay, H4, see, we have outer trend line. Okay, first point, second point. Okay, see, first point, second point, third point, drop. Okay, then the price come back, H1. Okay, H1 we have here HNS. Okay, HNS, see, HNS, then price drop. Okay, so this trend line. Okay, and then the hint on H1 drop. Okay, check where we back. Okay, why there? Because open close. Okay, open close level. So maybe we can go to MTT, okay, to find the reason. Okay, MTT. Okay, as you can see. Okay, open close. 15. Okay, on MTT the same thing, open close candle. Okay, close. So it's look like we cannot go to that price. Okay, here's imitation. So basically the same thing repeating. Okay, okay, for example here, see, change to line chart. You see, and the price come to this zone. Okay, you see the small curve here, so that's why we take that zone. Okay, small curve. Okay, condition S with the open close. Okay, you see when the price approach those level, you can see the double top formation. Okay, the same thing repeating. Okay, or maybe you want to use trend line. Okay, this. Okay, you may use. Okay, see, this point, second point. Okay, oh, we cannot use M15, I forget. Okay, see, we have the first point, second point, third point. See, price drop. Okay, so that's why the price drop. Okay, same thing repeating. Okay, so there is the final. Okay, you can see direction first, nearest SNR, then we look for the roadblock. Okay, roadblock. Okay, for us to alert. Okay, roadblock. Okay, or to find re-entry. Okay, re-entry. Okay, so we filter, as you can see, I have shown that we filter it, then the price come back to the fresh zone. Okay, so wait for the hit on H4 H1, and after hit or the reversal there will be continuation. Okay, so the same thing repeating, so from support to resistance, from resistance to support. Okay, so there is this is the final video. Okay, so thank you. Okay, you may ask me directly or in the group if you have any question. Okay, so hopefully this will help you in trading. Okay, I hope you will be more profitable after this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.